today's this conference, that is 8th National Conference on Disability, and along with that we have Forza also a part of this conference.
Forza is a 25-year-old organization and conspicuously absent from the assistive technology landscape of India. So last we were supplying wheelchairs to some of the best companies in the world, especially Europe, and we have been doing it since last almost 20-25 years. First the spare parts and then the wheelchairs, and now we've decided since last 1.5 years to get into Indian market and understand and create affordable products. So that's what Forza is.
Which we are manufacturing here in India, they are world class because we are supplying to 16 odd countries already from last 25 years. And what we have ensured is that whatever product we are supplying to these major countries, we are also giving the same line of products for the Indian users also. So we do not differentiate the product line for India and for overseas, right? And so you will get the same kind of material, same kind of features, same comfort, same maneuverability in the products.
So I started my journey with Forza Freedom 4 months back and really excited. We are associated with Tata Institute of Social Science, and large way to go from here, the collaboration we are doing with Tata Institute for society inclusion. And it will be really wonderful for me to be here at this event. So much learnings for society, so much learnings for inclusion, so much collaboration we are doing. I'm happy to be here.
Yeah, it was a lovely knowing Forza Foundation and their products. Because I was not aware of them and about their products, and it looks like very good international standard products, and I'm sure the people with disability in India or in our society also will be able to make use of this. And what matters is the cause they stand for. I think that's most important.
To make the lives of people with disabilities accessible and inclusive and more sustainable. So thank you so much, Forza Freedom, for collaborating with Tata Institute of Social Sciences Center for Disability Studies to make this event happen. And I think you are doing some brilliant work, and the most USP of your organization is Make in India. So I think all the eyes are there on your organization, that how your USP product of Forza wheelchairs and Forza assistive devices, they are accessible, inclusive and better quality to bring a change in the lives of people with disabilities. Thank you so much.
मेरा नाम खुशी गनत्रा है। मैं इंक्लूसिव कम्युनिटी के लिए वर्क करती हूँ क्योंकि मैं बाइबॉर्न व्हीलचेयर यूज़र हूँ, तो मुझे पता है कि एक व्हीलचेयर यूज़र की लाइफ क्या होती है। आई थैंक्स टू फोर्जा, मैं 1-1.5 महीने पहले फोर्जा के कंपनी से मिली थी। इतने भी डिसेबिलिटी के इंडस्ट्रीज़ वाले हैं जो इक्विपमेंट्स बनाते हैं पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी के लिए, वो चाहते हैं कि उनका प्रोडक्ट ख़रीदा जाए, जो कि अफोर्ड करना भी एक पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी के लिए बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता है, जो एक्टिव और लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी के प्रोडक्ट है। बट उनके पास एक भी डिसेबल पर्सन वर्क नहीं करता है, प्लस उनके कोई भी इंडिया की कंपनी के प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं हैं। सो इसलिए मैंने फोर्जा को अप्रोच किया कि कहना है वर्क विथ यू, तो उन्होंने मुझे एक ही बार में हाँ बोल दिया। और दूसरी चीज़ के नाउ आई वांट बी कि फोर्जा इंडिया की सबसे पहली नंबर 1 कंपनी बने फॉर अ व्हीलचेयर यूज़र, जो अफोर्डेबल भी है, कस्टमाइज भी है और लोगों को फ्रीडम भी देती है। फोर्जा फ्रीडम, मूव विदाउट लिमिट्स।